Yo, what is up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. How are y'all doing? It's early in the morning and I'm about to go to school, but in today's video we're about to deal with two maintenance issues with the G. And the first thing is gonna have to be in a major exhaust leak that I have right now. It's my first time ever having an exhaust leak and it sounds really bad, so I'm gonna try and see if I can show y'all what's going on right now under the hood. Hopefully I'll be able to show y'all. It's like really deep down in the engine bay. Okay, so I thought I was gonna be able to show y'all, but it's really deep down there. I have aftermarket headers and aftermarket test pipes, as some of y'all might know. The test pipes and headers are only connected by one bolt, so I have a major exhaust leak. If you know anything about those things, they're supposed to be connected by 3 bolts. I think the gasket fell out and the car sounds really bad right now. I'm gonna have to pick up a gasket from like a local AutoZone or something and take it to a mechanic for them to fix, because I don't have the tools to fix that and I'm not really trying to do that myself. I'm gonna close this hood and start up the car so y'all can hear exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, I'm on the way to school and I don't really want to break anything, but I'm gonna let y'all get like a, let y'all hear what it sounds like with the exhaust leak. Like, that sounds so bad. That's like the worst my car has ever sounded. Let me hit a downshift. Y'all can hear it like sputtering. Yeah, it sounds terrible. I'm not gonna lie. Sounds like a freaking tractor, bro. Alright, y'all, so it's the next day. It's a change of plan. So originally yesterday I was supposed to go to a local mechanic to get this exhaust leak fixed, but they're all trying to tax me like $250, $200, $300, and this is a really easy job that any mechanic should be able to do. So literally it's just this one thing that's giving me this nasty sound and loss in power, poor gas mileage, all of that stuff. So we're gonna be going over to my shop, Grills Race Studio in Raleigh, North Carolina. We got a trip to make. It's 8 a.m. and I'm gonna hit the road. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm at a point with this car where I kind of need a daily, because things are starting to break, things are starting to wear down. But yeah, I think I should cop a daily. Finally, we made it. After an hour and 30 minute drive, we finally made it to Grails, man. Hopefully they get me right with this exhaust leak. Got this fire ass G35, Nahum's G35. So I can get under the car now and I'm gonna show y'all what the issue is right here. That right there is the issue, bro. This fucking gasket is broken. It's like a shitty gasket and it's missing bolts right there. Those are the aftermarket headers. And on this side, this one's about to go bad as well. It's missing a bolt right there and that gasket is shot. What the heck is going on? Got a freaking toothpick stuck in my O2 sensor, bro. What the heck? For those that are new to the channel and are wondering what my exhaust setup is, I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all since I can get under the car. So for the headers over there, those are 1320 Performance Shorty headers, and those are actually discontinued. And those are paired up with the Burke non-resonated test pipes. I got those a long time ago. And then we have the Z1 white pipe that is welded to a custom ISR exhaust. So some of y'all might know that the ISR exhaust comes with a resonator, and I got a resonator delete. Z1 white pipe and the custom piping for the ISR is just welded into one pipe just for convenience, and we no longer have a gasket right there. While my car is over there getting worked on, I want to show y'all this G35 over here, which is the shop owner's car. It's a single turbo G35 tuned by RZG that he doesn't drive that much, but it's like one of my favorite G35s for real. He's got a custom single turbo kit from what I know, and he's got a bumper exit right there, and that's actually what I want to do. Like, I'm about to copy this man, bro. Got the same carbon fiber hood, but his is obviously paint matched, but he still got the vents and stuff right there. When I end up doing my turbo kit next year, it's gonna be fully custom. Like all the specs and all the stuff I'm gonna be picking out, and I'm just gonna have a fabricator fab up the piping. But I do want to do a bumper exit just like Nahum, but on this side, because mine is custom, but he has like a whole ton of stuff done under the engine bay, so that's why his bumper exit is on the other side. Now when I do mine, it's gonna be on this side, and I was low-key thinking about doing a fresh cake setup where he has like exits on both sides on his S15, but I'm gonna have the exhaust right there and the wastegate exit right there. I don't know. It's just like something I'm thinking about doing. I don't know if it's gonna be too much. My boy got the meats back here. God damn. This is like what I need, bro. I literally just imagine what a drag pack setup would look like on my car with the bumper cut. Downshift right now, but the manual mode is not working as usual. So but my exhaust has not sounded this good in a long time, so I'm gonna just get some POV driving for y'all, so y'all can hear the exhaust real quick. That's the one thing I love about the freaking exhaust on this car, is the downshift. It always sounds so good, no matter what gear I'm downshifted into. Especially the downshifts at like 60 miles an hour. Oh my god. I gotta do some more POV driving for y'all. So we made it back home safely. We got the exhaust leak fixed and it sounds really good, and I got the power back. Like before, when I had the exhaust leak, I would step on it and I would literally go nowhere. So with that exhaust leak, I definitely lost a lot of power. Shout out to Grails for getting me right. They always get me right with everything that I need to get done with this car. If you're in the Raleigh area, make sure you hit up Grails Race Studio for like mods or maintenance or anything like that. They'll definitely get you straight, get you back on the road, whatever your needs are. I'm definitely gonna miss this exhaust setup that I'm running whenever I do the bumper exit and this thing is boosted. I am gonna sell the exhaust, so if one of y'all want it, y'all can have it. Just hit me up whenever I end up boosting this car. That's pretty much it for this video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn the post notification bell, and I'll see y'all in the next video.